Hi, friends. Want to learn English fast and easy? Today, we are playing with fun words like hug me and let's run. Ready to have a great time? Let's start. Welcome to Learn English Like a Baby, your happy spot for quick English. I'm here to help you talk with simple words and cool actions. New here? Check our other videos later. They're super fun. Today, we'll learn everyday English by saying and doing. Think of it like a game. Excited? Let's go. Wake up.
Wake up.
Hug me.
Hug me.
Say hello.
Say hello.
Comb your hair.
Comb your hair.
Put on your shoes.
Put on your shoes.
Eat your breakfast.
Eat your breakfast.
Put on your jacket.
Put on your jacket.
I feel cold.
I feel cold.
Open the window.
Open the window.
Close the door.
Close the door.
Let's run.
Let's run.
Clap your hands.
Clap your hands.
High five.
High five.
I love you.
I love you.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Let's go outside.
Let's go outside.
Say thank you.
Say thank you.
I am tired.
I am tired.
Let's take a nap.
Let's take a nap.
Turn off the light.
Turn off the light.
Turn on the light.
Turn on the light.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Let's go for a walk.
Let's go for a walk.
Open the door.
Open the door.
Come here.
Come here.
Do your best.
Do your best.
Hold my hand.
Hold my hand.
I am ready.
I am ready.
Listen carefully.
Listen carefully.
Wave goodbye.
Wave goodbye.
That's our day, friends. Today, you learned fun words like hug me. Let's run. I am happy. Say them. Do them. And learn fast. Love this game? Subscribe and hit the bell for more fun English. Tell me in the comments. What do you say every day? See you next time. You are amazing.